Hi, I'm Greg Sherwin. I am a Singularity University faculty here in Portugal, and my expertise is digital experimentation. Digital experimentation is a practice that organizations can become learning organizations by basically asking questions, using their data, and being able to use that to come up with innovative ideas, innovative solutions. The digital experimentation, I think, kind of builds on a lot of the practices of historical experimentation going back to Francis Bacon in the 1600s. The difference now is that we have companies that have been doing digital transformations, that are building big data, and that allows us to essentially have a lot more detail and control over the kind of experiments that we do. Living in hyper-networked, connected world with lots of data, it provides a rich source of information. It still needs a lot of human interpretation, but it's a rich source of information for us to examine and explore how the world around us can be impacted by some of the changes that we can make, and we can learn about what makes better changes, what makes less so good changes, and we can kind of optimize for that. Big organizations have often cultural challenges. One of the things that digital experimentation actually could enable an organization to do is to sort of democratize its decision making. Singularity University Portugal gives you sort of the mindset shift, the access to networks and to similar thinkers, be part of a broader community that is actually helping to engage with the broader community in the world of taking exponential technologies and applying them to solve global grand challenges. Expand your mind, look at the future in a different way that you can kind of create impact for yourself and for your organization. And we'd love to be able to partner with you on being able to do that.